Today I'm reviewing and unboxing SYSKA LED desk light. In this you have got a touchpad to which you can set the brightness of your LED and also another touchpad to adjust the light of your night lamps. You can see it has a various features like 3 times dimmable LED, 2000 milliamps battery, 7 hours of backup. This cost me around 3200 rupees on Amazon. Leave the link in the description, you can buy from there. So let's unbox this. Okay, the packing is not that good. I think this is a manual. Yeah, okay, so this is the user manual over here. There's a clear instruction on how you charge and how to use and all those things. Now let's see that later. Let me keep that aside. Okay guys, so here's the LED, SYSKA Desk LED. So it is got a smooth and glossy finish. So under this there is a switch on and off light. Sorry, switch to turn and off. There you go. And if you tap over there it is on. You can see the brightness of this. So wait, let me show you. Yeah. Now notice step 1, step 2, step 3. So basically 3 adjustable LED brightnesses. Now as I said, there's another LED touch thing that is used to adjust your color of a bed lamp. That is next to that. You can see various LED over there. So touch on that. So this is the first color indicating your battery. So as I move my finger on the touchpad, the color keeps on changing. That's pretty cool. Now you can see for auto change mode you have to touch and keep on the power button for 2 seconds. Let me show you. So I'm holding it. You can see the color of the LED is changed. Now it keep on changing automatically. So in order to power off, you have to tap on that again. Now let's check out the battery. You can see the LED is not powering on. That's because battery is low. You can see that the light is very dim, so let's recharge. This package includes a micro USB cable with USB port. So this is a USB cable. The quality looks okay, not that good, but okay for this product. So this is a micro USB. There is a regular charger which is used for your smartphones. So in order to recharge your light, you can see a small USB charging board at the back. So you have to power off, then you have to recharge over here. You can see a small port over here and a small hole to indicate the charge. When the light goes off, it indicates that the charge is full. Now plug this in and plug this USB cable into your mobile charger or your laptop USB ports. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like.